Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU MDCAT test 2025 biology. Solved paper MCQs part 1st. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम KMU MDCAT 2025 पेपर कोड डी को डिस्कस करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Which nitrogenous waste has the lowest solubility in water? Option A, urea. B, ammonia. C, uric acid. And option D, nitrite. So the correct option is C, uric acid. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. Most of the ultraviolet absorption of protein, about 240 nanometer, is due to their content of dash. Option A, tryptophan. B, aspartate. C, glutamate. And option D, alanine. So the correct option is A, tryptophan. Hyperparathyroidism may lead to the formation of dash. Option A, calcium phosphate stone. B, uric acid stone. C, cystine stone. And option D, struvate stone. So the correct option is A, calcium phosphate stone. Proteins contain, option A, only L amino acids. B, only D amino acids. C, DL amino acids. And option D, both A and B. So the correct option is A, only L amino acids. Ninhydrin with the evolution of CO2 form a blue complex with dash. Option A, peptide bond. B, alpha amino acids. C, serotonin. And option D, histamine. So the correct option is B, alpha amino acids. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। By nature, the human excretory system is dash. Option A, ammonotelic. B, uricotelic. C, ureotelic. And option D, both A and B. So the correct option is B, ureotelic. Thank you for watching my videos.